In this video, I'm going to show you how to sell USDT on NoOnes. Now, the first thing you have to do here in your dashboard of your account, you want to go to the trade section, hover over it, and click on P2P trading. Okay, so this is going to be the simplest way to sell your USDT. And then all you have to do here is select sell here, so not buy but sell. And then for the currency, you want to select USDT. And then of course here you want to select your currency. You want your results to be displayed in. So I'm going to do US dollar over here. And then if you wish to actually select a payment method you want to basically receive your money onto while selling USDT, you could also do that too. So as you can see here, there's a bunch of different options. You can just select the one you want and click on apply and update offers. When you do this, the offers are going to apply over here, and there's going to be a bunch of different ones, and then you can just go ahead and select the one you like. So as you can see here, you can first see basically the offer maker, the one who made this offer. Here you can see basically this rate over here, the amount, and then you'll see how much you can receive of what and onto which payment method. And then here you can also see basically how much you have to pay. Okay, so what you then have to do is you just have to click on the sell button over here on the right hand side next to the offer you actually wish to use. So if you click over here, for example, it's going to pop up this window, and then here it's going to say how much USDT you need in your wallet to be able to start this trade. And whenever you have enough USDT on the wallet, which I'm assuming you do if you're trying to do this, you'll be able to click on here the amount to receive, type in how much you want, and then here as you can see you'll be able to confirm everything, press confirm and sell, and then you're gonna have to put in your payment methods and you'll be good to go. You'll be able to successfully sell your USDT. So that's how you do it. I hope this video helped you out. If you did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.